Kagulat World, humanda na kayo. Isa na namang Pinoy ang gumawa ng ingay sa buong mundo. At this time, sa mundo ng basketball at fashion, si Kevin Kiambao, isa sa mga pinaka-promising na rising star sa Philippine basketball, ay may na-achieve na hindi nagagawa ng kahit sinong Pinoy player. Siya ang unang Filipino na nagkaroon ng sarili niyang player edition sneaker kasama ang international brand na Adidas. Ang pangalan ng sapatos, Adizero Select 3.0 KQ63. Mas naging special pa ito dahil ang design ay collab nila ni Quicks, isang sikat na Pinoy toy designer at streetwear artist. Hindi lang ito simpleng basketball shoe, isa itong simbolo ng kultura at mamamalaking Pinoy. Nilagyan nila ng personal touch at Pinoy pride ang bawat detalye ng sapatos. At oo, loud ang design, proud at sobrang unique tulad ng style ni Kevin at ni Quicks. Hindi maitago ni Kevin ang saya niya sa achievement na ito. Sabi niya, "It's been a privilege to be part of this player edition footwear. Isa ito sa mga biggest inspirations ko para lalo pa akong magisipag sa court." Ramdam mo talaga na personal sa kanya ang proyektong ito. Hindi lang bilang athlete, kundi bilang isang Pinoy na gustong makipagkitang gilas sa buong mundo. Ang sapatos ay kulay dominant pink, tribute yan sa mga araw ni Kevin Kiambao sa De La Salle University kung saan halos lahat ng games niya naka-pink shoes siya. Naging signature look niya yon, maporma, matapang at puno ng kumpiyansa. Ganon-ganon din ang energy na makikita mo sa design ng KQ63. Si Quicks naman, nakilala sa matintinding design sa streetwear at poise na kilala worldwide. Sobrang proud din sa project na ito. Sabi niya, "I feel very honored na nakatrabaho ko si Kevin. At nabigyan ako ng chance na i-represent ulit ang Filipino creativity sa buong mundo." Pero ito ang nakakagulat, Kagulat World. Bago pa man release ang KQ63 sa publiko, na isuot na ito sa NBA. Oo, tama ang narinig mo. Ang unahang nagsuot ng KQ63 ay si Jalen Green, Phil-Am NBA player ng Houston Rockets. Suot niya ito noong Filipino Heritage Night game nila laban kay Jordan Clarkson at sa Utah Jazz noong April 3. In that game, Green delivered a stellar performance, scoring 22 points, grabbing 4 rebounds, and dishing out 2 assists along with a steal, all while proudly rocking the KQ63. Now, that's how you launch a shoe. Kevin Kiambao's rise has been nothing short of phenomenal. From being a UAAP champion to winning back-to-back MVPs with De La Salle, he's quickly become one of the most influential names in Filipino basketball. But wasn't content staying within the local score. Earlier this year, he made the bold play to play overseas, joining the Goyang Sono Sky Gunners in the Korean Basketball League. Despite it being his first season, he didn't disappoint. He put up solid numbers, averaging 16.9 points, 6.3 rebounds, 3.9 steals, and 1.3 steals over 23 games. That kind of all-around performance didn't go unnoticed. Goyang immediately locked him in a 3-year contract extension. But wait, there's more to his story. Kevin Cambao isn't stopping there. At just 24 years old, he has his eyes set on the NBA. That's right, Kagulat World is scheduled to train in the United States in preparation for the NBA Summer League, hoping to get a spot with the team and inch closer to his dream of playing in the world's top basketball league. Just imagine it, another Filipino stepping onto the NBA hardwood, not just playing, but doing so while wearing shoes with his name on them. That's the kind of journey we live for in Kagulat World. To put things in perspective, this level of sneaker recognition is extremely rare for Asian athletes, and even rarer for Filipinos. While Kiefer Ravena did unveil a player exclusive pair with Jordan Brand in 2023 as part of his time with the Yokohama B Corsairs in Japan's B League. What Kevin achieved with Adidas is on a different tier. A player edition signifies that the brand sees star power and global marketability in the athlete. So what does this all mean? It's simple. Kevin Cambao is not just making noise, he's shaking up the world. From dominating the college ranks in the Philippines, making an impact in Korea, to now being involved in a major shoe collaboration that's being worn in the NBA. The man is clearly on a mission, and we're all for it. Kagulat World, this is exactly why we exist, to spotlight the Filipino athletes who shock the world with every move they make. Kevin's story is just unfolding, but what he's done already is legendary. He's not just a baller, he's a brand, a movement, a walking highlight reel with his own kicks. So keep your eyes on Kevin Cambao, because if this latest achievement is any time, the best is yet to come. Kevin Cambao's journey proves that Filipino athletes can not only compete on the world stage, but can also influence culture, fashion, and global perception. From dominating the UAAP to thriving in the Korean Basketball League, and now making sneaker history with Adidas. Kevin is showing that a Filipino baller can be more than just a player. He can be a global icon. His collaboration with Quicks and Adidas is more than just a sneaker release. It's a statement. It represents Filipino pride, creativity, and excellence. Seeing Jalen Green debut the KQ63 on an NBA court proves just how far Filipino talent has reached. And with Kevin now eyeing the NBA Summer League, the dream of seeing another Pinoy in the NBA doesn't feel so far anymore. So to all our Kagulat World fans, this is your reminder. Never underestimate a Filipino's drive to shock the world. Kevin's story is still being written, but one thing's for sure, he's already made history and will be here to witness every step. Abangan ang susunod na paggulat ng mundo. This is Kagulat World, where Filipino greatness always finds the spotlight. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.